This is how you can recover deleted photos or videos on your Android phone or tablet in the last 60 days. These deleted videos or photos shouldn't be more than 60 days you deleted them. Okay? If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you're new here, you are welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. On your Android phone or tablet, open the Google Photos app. The Google Photos app, I mean the one inbuilt on your phone, not the photos you downloaded from the store. Okay? You will see mine here. This is it. The Photos app on your phone. Click on that. At the bottom here, click on Library. You can see Library, tap Library. On top here is Trash. Tap Trash. Items will be permanently deleted after 60 days in Trash. So if you've deleted anything from your phone, photos, videos in the last 60 days, they will still be here. But if there are more than 60 days, I'm sorry, you've lost them. Okay? If you've deleted anything in the last 60 days and wish to restore it, you can do that here. If it is more than 60 days, you cannot restore it again. To restore any photo or video now, all you have to do is touch and hold. Touch and hold. Touch and hold. You can see restore here, right here. Restore. Click on restore. Restore item. Then I'll say yes, I wish to restore this. And it is restored to wherever it was deleted from photo gallery, photo library, from the album, anywhere it was deleted from, it is now restored. Okay? So, to restore any deleted photo or video from your phone, as long as it's not more than 60 days that you deleted this item from your phone, you can still recover it. If it is more than 60 days, you have to say goodbye to this item. Alright? This is how you can recover a video or a photo from Android phone or tablet. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video was helpful. Please share and give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, consider doing that. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.